family, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today on my channel I'm going to be making some chicken noodle soup with gungo peas. And first and foremost we have to give our praises and thanks unto the Most High and His beloved Son Yahweh Shai. So catch you on the next cooking adventure. Family, so this is my pot with my gungo peas in it. And on my cutting board I got all the ingredients that I'm going to be putting in there to boil it. So I got my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, fine leaf thyme, broadleaf thyme, and scallion. So what I'm going to add that to the pot. So I'll add those ingredients to the pot. So what I'm going to add now is a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And also some pimento seed. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this pot on for half an hour to boil because I soaked the peas overnight. So yes family, so this is the chicken that I'm going to put in the pot with my gungo peas. I seasoned it up from last night with some garlic, all-purpose seasoning, and cayenne pepper. So I'm going to do now, I'm going to add it to the pot because my peas is 90% finished. So right now I'm going to add some chicken noodle soup base, great chicken noodle soup base. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil out this chicken foot and the chicken neck for at least 25 minutes. So right now in this bowl I have 3 cups of flour. So yes family, my flour is all needed. So right in this blender I got a medium-sized coconut. So I blend it out already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it off. Adding in the coconut milk. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the dumplings in. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the yam and the cocoa. Adding in the pumpkin. So what I'm going to put in now is the sweet potato.
I'm riding with you, baby. I know it's been hard lately. It's not meant to be easy. It's not meant to be. But I swear that I'm not leaving what you need.
And the last thing I'm putting in is a chicken noodle. So everything is in the soup now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this and leave this for 15-20 minutes on medium heat. Let it keep cooking. Yes family, so this is what my chicken and gungo pea soup look like. So remember, if you like that recipe, you can always drop them down in the comment section and I will share them with you. Shalom.